So you already know you don't want this. Even though damn well we couldn't even afford it anyways, talk about you don't want it. Oh, look at you looking at me like I'm a freaking... She was mugging me like I'm some... Go back to your place, peasant. What does it take to be here? White? Thank you, honey.
Oh my gosh, Brandon, stop it. Thank you.
So this is obviously very scary because my type don't belong here. I don't have that much money, so if they try to get me for getting this, like, we got where? Right over there? I'm very scared because this is not our part. Okay, move in ready. Canvas collection, traditional collection, Clovis Devu. So we get 1, 2. Damn, they really don't want me to move in. There's straight security here. Let's get in. Go.
You act like he stole something.
Guys, I don't know about you, but I see houses like this. Thank you, good turn. And I'm just thinking goals, guys, goals. Look at this. Goals, all right? Oh, look at this castle. Look at this castle, all right? Look at these houses, guys. You can't, look at this. What? What kind of house? Oh, this is a 3-story. Oh my gosh. Oh shit, look at that guy, He waved at us. He thought we lived here. He thought we were part of them. Oh, babe. Okay,
put it down. Put it down.
Shit.
Put it down.
Oh shit. Look at that lady. She's probably worth millions, guys.
So Brandon legit said, I bet you there's some purgers here.
Guys, there has to be purgers here, okay? We're talking that movie, The Purge. If you haven't seen it, you're missing out, because, damn.
Those houses are beautiful.
They are gorgeous. Oh my gosh. Guys, look at that. I mean, we're just like, are you kidding? Like, that's nothing, okay? Some of these houses are like, oh my. Look at these people. What does it take to live here? Look at them. Do they look normal to you? Obviously not. I'm doing something wrong. Okay, oh my, look at that. Guys, yup. You see that? Take a right. Look at that. We got a freaking, oh my gosh, we can't go in. As you can see, you know why. Purge 101. Okay. You guys gotta see this, man.
I don't like how they're so close together and there's no driveway, but no
That's true.
Yeah, I don't like these.
You don't like these? I mean, you guys tell me.
Guys, there's no driveway. There's no front yard. Show them. Show them.
Okay, guys. As you can see, there you go. Keep going. Okay, so obviously, as you can see, guys, look. There's really no driveway. That's crazy because you can never park your car up. You got to go inside your garage, and that's something you wouldn't want. That's like a deal breaker, even if it's at a good price.
We always have people over, so.
Yeah, imagine having parties here, guys. Nope. You got to park your ass around the block. Oh, he's awake. Hi, baby. What you got to say? I don't know, we're trying to find our dream home, okay? We're trying to find our dream home right now. I need to know what is our dream home because then I can envision it, I could dream about it and make it happen. Have you guys ever done that in your life? I don't know, but it's probably not gonna work, but hey, why not try? All right, guys, so you tell me, are these your type of houses? Sageberry, guys,
yeah,
sageberry.
I don't want it.
You already know you don't want this. So you already know you don't want this. Even though damn well we couldn't even afford it anyways, talk about you don't want it. No, but for real, guys, we are envisioning our house. This is step 1. Okay, once we get our dream house, we're gonna look back at this vlog and we're gonna be like, damn, we envisioned it. And I'm telling you this right now, this is step 1.
Okay, I'm gonna go back to the first one.
The one that we were like,
yeah.
Okay, we'll meet you guys there. Oh my god, just look at this, dude. A freaking okay, this is the second time, guys, going to this neighborhood. Seriously, they may look like some regular houses to you guys, but I'm telling you, like if you guys were to like be here and see it with your own eyes, wow. Damn, you just feel out of place like that. Guys, I'd be down to live in there. One day, babe, we're gonna get, I don't know, where's she going? We got a car going the same way we went as a dead end. Probably just like us. Oh, look at you, looking at me like I'm a freaking...
She was.
She was mugging me like I'm some... Go back to your place, peasant. Ooh, okay, look, guys, look at this. There's people looking through the window, so be careful, guys. Oh my gosh, guys, slow down, babe. I know you see this, guys. A 3-car garage with like balconies. I mean, this is literally like cartel house right there. I mean, what else to say? Look at this. Hey, can I live with you?
Okay, put it down. They've seen us like 3 times.
Yeah. Ah! Some of these people are
You're
like,
right. 4-car garage.
4-car garage. Are you effing kidding me? I told you. Yo, some of these like walkers, they're like just looking at us like, let me call the quick 911. They'll come real quick. We got them on the payroll. One day, babe. One day we're gonna have something better than this. One day. All right. You guys are gonna witness it too. It's gonna be on this channel, man. Guys, I'm just like wondering, like I just see these people walking, I'm like, how much money you make, man? I need to know. What's your job? Okay? Are you doing a drug business? Okay, I need to know. What does it take to be here? White? Jeez. Just playing, guys. I'm just playing. Everyone's walking, babe. This, like, I'm not exaggerating. If like when you're this rich, I think like I think they know if you don't walk a certain amount of times, you're gonna be out the club or some shit, right? Or something. Like I'm wondering, like everyone and their mama's walking right now, but you never see this in regular neighborhoods. You guys think I'm joking? Look at these guys.
Gosh, why don't you just camera on them?
I had to show them. They think I'm lying. Like this is crazy, guys. We didn't go this way. We have some hidden houses, guys. This looks like very much in our range. Yeah, right. Shout out to all the poor people, man. We poor, okay? I'm just saying. We gotta stick together. And I need to know right now if I'm annoying. Let me know how annoying I am.
He's annoying.
I'm annoying?
Closed. What the fuck?
Shut up.
How is McDonald's closed?
Oh my, they're closed.
How is that even a thing?
That's ridiculous, babe. It was for this baby. Wow, guys. That was for Zayden. We were gonna give him some fries. But guess where we're going next, guys? Shall we ask Deanna?
Ouch. Ouch.
Where are we going?
I don't know. Ouch. Ouch.
Guys, have you ever heard of a person when you go over a
Ouch.
speed bump,
Ouch.
be like, ouch, ouch?
I'm pregnant.
She is pregnant, guys. Come on, cut her some slack. But where are we going, babe?
It depends if it's fresh or not. They don't have the sign on that it's fresh, so I don't know if I want it.
There's literally a sign that says we're selling fresh donuts right now.
Fresh serving. Hey, look, it's not on, so I don't know if I really want it.
Okay, guys, we're getting Krispy Kreme donuts. Okay, there's a drive-through, so we're being safe, babe.
I'm so excited.
She's so excited. Okay, when it's our turn, I'm gonna do something for you guys, alright?
No, don't embarrass me.
I'm gonna do something. Girl, don't trip. I got you guys. Alright, guys, this is how you order. Alright, some donuts.
Hi, it's another wonderful day here at Krispy Kreme. My name is Penny. Will you be using your rewards app?
No, thank you.
Okay, order when you're ready.
I just want original glaze.
Is it like a dozen?
No, just one.
Donut.
It's like a 2.
No, I'm getting a box.
No.
Just glazed donuts?
Yeah.
Okay, guys. Are you ready?
Yes.
Can I get a dozen glazed donuts?
Okay.
That'll be it.
Okay, $10.99 as well. Thank you.
Thank you.
Oh my gosh, it's so embarrassing.
Guys, guess who the person
They're
who
gonna
just
think
took...
it's me. Oh my god, such an annoying voice.
They're gonna be like, what the hell? They're gonna spit in our donuts.
Hi. You're so cute.
Guys, give this video a thumbs up for Zayden being cute.
Hi.
Where's your accent?
Shut up.
Thank you, honey.
Oh my gosh, Brandon, stop it. Thank you.
Thanks, honey.
Brandon, Michael.
Guys, I'm a savage.
So I'm a little disappointed because I can already tell these were made earlier.
Oh my gosh. Here we go. The judge of donuts. Stop right here. It's a good lighting.
They were made earlier. They're not warm.
Hell no. Those look delicious.
They weren't warm. Here.
No, I'm not eating nothing good. Oh, give me the whole lot. Damn, girl, look at her. My prego woman deserves a donut. Shit, I'll give her a donut at home.
No, I don't like these.
They're not good? Alright, to the next destination. Alright guys, so now it gets spooky. Well, Deanna found this castle, okay? Deanna, oh my gosh, we're not talking about that castle. Guys, look at this castle, you gotta be really quiet, okay? Slow. Oh my gosh, guys, do you see this freaking castle? That's one house. Oh my goodness. I don't even know where we are. Deanna was like, I see this big ass castle. We gotta find it. She found
Every
it.
time I drive
Down the street.
I see the back of this house, and it's like a gray brick, like looks like a freaking gargoyle, like castle looking.
Guys, look up that word gargoyle, because I don't even know.
Gargoyle, like dark, like I don't know, creepy dark.
Creepy. Guys, let us know if you want it to be a challenge if we go and sneak over there.
Oh my gosh.
If we just walk and try to walk in the backyard or something.
Yeah. Next video would be got arrested.
We got arrested.
So cute.
Look, he knows we're trying to get him on it.
Aww.
Anyways, we're gonna close today's video out, guys. If you liked today's video, make sure you smash that like button. And if you're a new viewer, what should they do?
You're gonna subscribe, you're gonna comment, you're gonna hit that bell button, and watch our old videos.
Yes, watch our past videos. If you haven't, you guys might have missed them. And if you did miss them, it's probably because the bell's not rung, you know, like ding. And shout out of the video goes to
The Jazz Fam.
the Jazz Fam. Damn, it was good to see you guys comment. Honestly, that was funny as hell. You know Stacy gets it. Shit, you already
She's a little whorebag.
you know Stacy shit.
Anyways, oh my gosh, my hair.
So make sure you catch up on our videos. We've been posting daily, so make sure you catch up. All right, it's so easy. Go to our channel and check out our past videos. They might be funny. Anyways, we love you. Thank you for all our new subscribers out there. All right, we love you guys. Thank you so much for joining the channel. We are the most underrated channel on YouTube. Always know that you are loved,
And beautiful.
and we'll see you guys next time. Peace.